is a managed services provider, and we offer top-tier holistic IT services for the oil and gas industry. Our team at EAG is comprised of highly qualified engineers, data architects, and seasoned IT professionals, and our primary goal is to deliver long-term stability and optimize IT for our clients. There are a few things that set EAG apart from other managed services providers. To start, we have a high first call resolution rate. A typical IT support firm functions in a way where first-tier support agents often need to route clients to another, more senior level support agent to solve their issues. At EAG, the tiered concept doesn't exist. Each member of our IT team has multifaceted skill sets and can resolve a lot of different issues across a broad spectrum of technology. Additionally, the type of support we offer can be tailored for our clients' unique business needs. Our team can easily be contacted, and we're available by phone, email, and chat. We provide on-site support for our clients as well. Our team is US-based, provides consistent client experience, and understands what oil and gas companies need in order to achieve optimized IT. We're not just going to reset your password and help you administer your IT. We're actually going to help you run your oil and gas business with innovative solutions and approaches. As part of our managed services offering, we provide device and mobility management, phone, server, and network support. We also provide headquarters field office support, backup management, vendor administration, and cybersecurity. We handle office moves anywhere in the nation and help clients scale their IT as their business scales. Our IT setup and ongoing maintenance is robust and thorough. We don't just set up your IT and leave. We ensure your infrastructure is running properly and provide ongoing proactive support. Proactive support and monitoring is another thing that sets the EAG Managed Services team apart. Oftentimes, we've stopped problems from occurring because our team was able to identify potential IT risks and mitigate them for our clients. We combat spam, viruses, and threats to keep our clients' business running effectively. The EAG Managed Services team truly is a one-stop shop for all IT needs in the oil and gas industry. Our goal is to optimize IT for our clients, and we continue to refine our skills and expand our knowledge base to enable their long-term success.